Okay, this video is going to show the dimensions of this bearing race that is left behind when you pull the bearing off of the axle. Underneath it is the seal that is in between the outer bearing race and the inner bearing race that prevents the bearings from getting contaminated with whatever. So I've only used this tool once, and it shows clearly where the striations are, and this diameter here is larger than the actual shaft, so I was able to basically get it in as far as it could go, which will give me the distance between this face and the oil flinger. So you've got the axle hub and then the oil flinger and the gasket. This gasket goes on the back of the hub, and then the oil flinger goes there, and then the lug nuts get pressed in from behind. So there's a space in between this inner lip of the oil flinger and the bottom of this flat surface of the race, which prevents me from getting much deeper than this right here. So this will give me the distance that I can get it in there. So that's just about 1/8 of an inch or more. I can't really swallow that shit. There we go. So I can get it in there about 1/8 of an inch. So there's 1/8 of an inch space in between the bottom of the bearing race surface and that oil flinger once I pop that seal down in there. And then the outer diameter of, clean this off. There we go. So the outer diameter of this bearing is 2.316, or about 59 millimeter. .11 millimeter, or 202 thousandths. 884, 22.44 millimeter, in case you need this. It's 49.82, or 1.956 inch. And there's not much room to get something on this, but .16 of an inch, 5.54 millimeter. And this taper .43 millimeter, 1.907.